Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this market right now and these altcoins. Now, Birdman money hands. Now, I don't know if you have been having a good time with these altcoins, but if not, your time will come depending on what coins you're holding. You got to be in the right coins. So today I'm going to talk to you about a coin that I think has a whole bunch of potential. It has the right partnerships, it has the right use case and tokenomics and stuff like that. So today I want to give you a look at that coin so you can go ahead and do your own research and see if it's something that you are interested in. As you know, this is not financial advice. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is very risky. As you know, I got to say that to the new people because I want to help people, take advantage of this opportunity and make money and not get wrecked. And this is also a time that I have to say, if you're holding a coin that is pumped super crazy and you've been in this game for a minute, don't lose your head. Don't forget to take your profits because it always goes like this. So first, I wanted to say Ethereum. Ethereum is one of those little indicators that we use to let us know what altcoins are going to do. And I'm just waiting for Ethereum to get over its all-time high. Right now, it's at $1,244. And, trading is picking up for Ethereum and stuff like that. So it's looking pretty good. So I said I wanted to look at the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, Bitcoin dominance, what ended up happening was all coins got wrecked because Bitcoin dominance broke out of this trend. Now it looks like it could be retesting this trend. So I'm thinking that if Bitcoin dominance bounces right here, altcoin trading might get a little bit more difficult. And altcoins might turn off a little bit. But if it drops below here, then that's just great because then Bitcoin dominance will go back into this pattern and hopefully it comes all the way down and tests 54%. And if this happens, altcoins are going to go crazy. If this thing breaks lower, altcoins are going to go crazy. If it breaks up, if it bounces here, then altcoins might turn off. This RSI is showing us that, it could bounce at this line one more time, or it could come down and test this line. So this is what we're watching for the altcoins to give us a little indicator of when they are going to turn off, and also, of course, the take profit indicator. I'm gonna call this the take profit indicator. When this thing starts bouncing, it's time to take profit in altcoins and move back into Bitcoins or stablecoin or, your preference. Not financial advice. The coin that I want to talk about that I think has major potential just hit the market. So it's pretty early. Not a lot of people are talking about this coin yet. You know what I'm saying? So it could be something that has a lot of value for people. And that coin is Cudos. Right now, it's up 100%. I know I said a lot of people are not talking about it. Right now, it's up 100%. But it just hit the market on the 13th, and it was at 11 cents. So it has yet to hit its all-time high. It's almost hitting its all-time high. We don't know what the total market cap is because it's so early for this token. Also, it's not on a lot of exchanges. So what is Cudos and why am I excited about it? It's an infrastructure token for Web 3.0. Right now, it's live on Bitmax. It got live on Bitmax on the 13th. Like I said, this website is pretty cool right here. You can play around. It's interactive, pretty nice. But basically what they do is a global computing network, kind of a cloud computing network on top of blockchain where you can pay for different computations to happen, whether you're in blockchain or whether you're doing something else, whether you're building a dApp or something like that. So applications of this compute can be layer 2 oracles oracles. That's a nice one right there. DeFi, you can build DeFi applications and have some of the computations done on here. You can have scientific research, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and video rendering. So video rendering is something that I was very interested in because I do videos, I do 3D and all that type of stuff. I'm getting into that, and as if you know about that, then you know that it takes a lot, and something like this would be pretty cool to use if I can have other people's computers that they're not using, other people's computing power that they're not using to render my videos and make my computer super fast. That would be freaking awesome, and that's what they're building. So other people can use their computers, and okay, if you have a computer at home, you're probably thinking, I'm not going to make a lot of money. But the idea behind it is, say you have like a mining farm. You know, you can use all those GPUs and connect them to the network and earn by providing that computing power to this network for people to purchase. And they have a marketplace for all of that type of stuff. So that's pretty cool. And also things like, say, for example, imagine like an office. If a big office has like 3,000 computers that, you know, everybody works from 8 to 5, and after, you know, 6 o'clock to, you know, 4 o'clock in the morning, those computers are not doing anything, but they're plugged in and they could be earning money, and people could be using that. I could be using that power to render my videos. So that's pretty cool. Another thing about it, so there's all the technical stuff. You can go ahead and check all that stuff out if you're into that type of thing. But the ecosystem, so the cool thing about it is that Algorand, Ethereum, AMD, Fetch AI, Hydro 66, a lot of companies, coin market cap, you know what I'm saying, PlayStation, Polkadot, Filecoin. So a lot of people are in this ecosystem for this coin already that just dropped, and and it has a good use case. Governance, voting, staking, wallet, it's multi-chain, so it could support multiple chains: Ethereum, Polkadot, Algorand. So I want to play a little video from the founder that gets me a little bit more excited about this coin, as well as I was doing my research.
On the adoption side, then, you know, we've been working a lot. You know, we started the project 3 years ago. So we've got a lot of growth, we've got a lot of team, a lot of technology that we've built. So the important thing is, you know, right from the start, we have a real utilization and a real platform that's actually working. And we have a lot of projects that are due to go live and a lot of expansion happening over the next few months, where you're going to see a lot more utilization of that token right from the start. And because there's a lot of the partnerships that we've got where people are either white labeling it or they're pre-installing our software on you know, servers and rigs that are going out, or our software is being installed actually across, you know, many mining farms as well, then we have kind of huge adoption on supply and demand. So it's a real network that's got a lot of real use.
So it's a real network that got a lot of real use. Like I said, mining farms ready to go online. This thing barely launched 3 days ago. Looking at the chart, this is what I have marked out for the chart. When it came out, it was pretty low and it just pumped like crazy. Right now it's at 12 cents, and I think, you know, I'm watching these levels right now to see where I want to get a nice entry. But since it's a new token, I want to see if it's going to pass the all-time high, of course, before I think about, okay, I think this thing has, you know, potential to keep going. I want to see more volume come in, and, you know, Bitmax itself is an exchange that doesn't have a lot of volume to begin with, so that's also another thing to keep in mind for this token. So let me guys know let me know what you guys think about this token right here, the Cudos token, cloud computing on the blockchain. You can set your devices up right now and earn just from, you know, having your computer set up and stuff like that. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Remember, this is not financial advice. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Till next time, peace.